This is crazy. So this one is bad, so it's good I changed it. So another one is right here too. Is yeah, is you can see it. It's all bad. All right. Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this engine mounts. This is a bit it's 740i, it's a 2016. You come below the car and then you remove all these covers. Once you're done removing the cover for here, so there's this one right side right here and this one right here on the left side. So what you're gonna do, you come right here, so you remove this one bolt right here, two, and then this is the third one. So the same side on this side too, one, two, and this is the third one right here. And then we have one E12, E14 or 12 right here. You take it out and then you jack one side of the engine and then you do on the other side, and then this thing comes out without a problem. All right, let's do it. So to take this out, you need an E10. Use a socket as an E10. You need this. Alright, so what you do, you just break it like that. You can hear pop. Same as this side too. You just break it out. It comes out like that without a problem. Second, you're taking your 13mm, just like this. You just come over here and then you just break it like that. You come to this side too. You break it like that. Sorry about that. And then you come on this side too. Once that is done, you can use an electric ratchet to get these things out. But I prefer you do one side at a time, so that you have enough clearance to lift it up. And then that one up there, as I said earlier on, is an E14. So you just get an E14, you put it all the way, let it sit like that, and then use a ratchet, you break it off. Once you put your ratchet, you just find enough clearance, and then you just, alright, it's heavy, so you just break it like that. Once it's loose like that, you can use the electric again to get it out. It's easy like that. Yeah, it's a bit tight. And then another thing I have to mention you have to do to have is this one right here. Is a kind of is a lift which you have to lift, which will help you lift the engine. It's preferable around this area. So what remains right here is right, there you go. This thing comes without a problem, just like this. Is that, now you can put it in a nice place. So next you take your 13, comes like that. Comes like that, and then your E10, right? Yeah. So it comes out like this. All right. So this thing right here. So next, what you do, you remove this E14 from the driver's side engine mount. Yeah, just take your time. This space is a little bit tight, but just take your time and then you take it out. and this ball is going to just come out like this. Let me just pull it out. This is the last time right here. Voila, this thing is out. So you take it out, and this is how it looks like, where it came out from. So next, you don't need to remove this steering rack. So you remove a frame, this frame right here, the black one. You just remove from the passenger side, and then on the driver side, you don't remove the top side, you just remove the lower side. Right over here is an E12, and then once that is done, we're going to lower our frame. So you're going to remove this. This is like a 22 millimeters. You just remove them from right over there. So you remove all around. They're like 3 on each side. So passenger side is going to be 3 in number, and then driver side is going to be 3 in number. And then next we have to lower our power steering rack. So what we do, we remove this this like an E16. We just take it out of the way. It's a E14 actually, it's not E16. So we take out of the way. We have these two, but unfortunately for this BMW, the swiveling is blocking our rack and pinion, so we have to remove the swiveling next. So we have to remove these E14s also. So are they going to be like 4 numbers? So this is the last one. So just remove it slowly, and don't let this thing just like hanging, like just fall down like really that first. Just you take it out slowly like this, and you just let it sag. So once that is done, it's going to give us access to remove this frame from right over here. So you take our stand, we put on the frame. So you don't lift the engine as early as I said, because right now we just need to lower this frame. Once you lift up the engine, it's not going to be enough space to remove the engine mounts, so you just lower it. So like right here, I've removed this thing, I've lowered it a little bit, so you'll see like over here at the right side. So this thing is going to give us enough space. So you put your jack stand right over there, that stand over there, and then this thing is going to give you enough space. And then you just remove your engine mount just like that. And just like that, is new engine lights is in, engine mounts is in. So you just lower everything down. Same to this side when this thing is lowered. So you see how this looks like. It's just crazy. So this one is bad, so it's good I changed it. So another one is right here too. Is yeah, is, you can see it. It's all bad. All right. So from here you can continue. You can put by all this stuff. You can put by all this stuff, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. So another thing I have to mention, you have to remove this shock on both sides so that it gives you a lower itself without the problem. So once that's all done, your thing should be good to go. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Alright, so you don't need to remove all this, just one side.